Hey y'all, so as y'all can see by the title and as y'all can see by how crazy I'm looking, I am going to go ahead and install my wig in my car for the first time ever. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've actually wanted to do this video for a hot minute because I feel like my car is just naturally always gonna be the right temperature, because you know you can't install your wig when it's hot. So as y'all can see, the only thing that I had to buy was alcohol because I forgot mine at home. Don't play with me, don't play with the Meeks, y'all. Like, don't even pay attention to them. And y'all can see the Meeks is by yours truly. I don't got no edge control, so we just gonna pray that my edges stay out the way, stay out of danger, because we using bold hold today, y'all. So per usual, let me see if I could use my light here. Going in with my holy grail. This is why I even decided to do my hair in the car, because bold hold get the job done. Oh my god, it's a whole bum, man. My car wasn't even locked. I'm wilding. Y'all hear the car going, so I'm just about to go ahead and dry the bold hold. The lace bond, I'm just gonna go ahead and dry it off in my car with my AC, and I'm gonna cut it all up for y'all and show you guys what it's giving. Crank that thing up, crank that soldier boy. As the spray has finished drying, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ebin tinted lace, because this is obviously not my skin color. I'm gonna go ahead and use that and spray that all over the perimeter of the wig. So now that I got it to the best of my ability, it is time to snippity snip 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 the wig cap. So just grabbing that razor from earlier. So now that I got the wig cap together, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off the perimeter of my hairline before I put that glue down. And again, y'all, ignore how loud my car is. I need it to be properly ventilated in here before, you know, any glue gets tacked onto the scalp. Okay, all right y'all, so now I'm gonna go in using my bold hold extreme cream. I don't know if this is a new formula, y'all. It looks like a new formula, but I could be extremely wrong. So I'm just gonna go ahead, throw some of that on my little stick there, and we just gonna go crazy. So what we're gonna do is, I very much parted all the hair back, or I moved all the hair back just so that when I put the lace down, it doesn't get in the way. And so as I'm looking up at my rearview mirror, don't mind me, but I'm just gonna place her right there, you know, nothing crazy, nothing out of the usual, you know. I'm gonna press that on the forehead. I don't know about y'all, but it's giving find the lace. So I'm just gonna press. I got this metal comb from Amazon. I don't really know why I got it, to be very honest. I think it's because in my mind at the time I felt as though it would push in the lace further for me, I guess. I'm just gonna grab that lace bond and I'm just gonna spray that all over the hairline. So if my camera has not died yet, I will show you guys the finished look probably like tomorrow. All right y'all, so I'm not in my car. We switched locations because it's another day, but as y'all can see, this is how the hair turned out. I ended up not putting no like concealer on my parting, just because I wanted you guys to see exactly how my hair looked out the car, like with no tweaks on it. All I did was parted the wig and then, you know, just some baby hairs. But other than that, it definitely, you know, would I do it again? Probably not. Would I do it if I'm in a rush on the road? Absolutely. So yeah, with that being said, I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This was something different for me doing my hair in my car. So yeah, with that being said, as always, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I will catch you guys in the next video.